Hi, and welcome to the presentation video of Protector 34.0. This is Piero, Technical Director of SecPoint, introducing the new functions of this firmware. The first one is the possibility to block the web access to social media as well as to other large and popular websites. This is available through the web filter. To do this, it is not enough to add their host names to the web filter's block list. This is because they widely use the HTTPS protocol in conjunction to a very large number of IP addresses. Moreover, the list of IP addresses usually vary from country to country and over time. The Protector now offers the possibility to easily block the web access to social media by simply typing the domain name to block. In the web filter setup page, you have to enable the HTTPS block option in the web filter of your choice and then add the domains to the block list. In the block list, next to each domain, you will see the number of IP addresses or CIDR associated to that domain, which is the number of IP addresses that the domain uses and that must be blocked in order to completely block the domain. This list of IP addresses is usually updated once a day, and as soon as you add a new domain, it will show a warning sign, meaning that the list must be detected. To update it immediately, you can simply click on this link. This update might take a while depending on the quantity of IP addresses for each domain. Then it may depend on the network speed, on the DNS and other factors. If the quantity of IP addresses associated to each domain is too high, they won't be added to the block list, as we can see in this case. This is to avoid any performance issue. After every change, of course, the web filter must be restarted, so we go to the web filter control panel, restart it, and as soon as the web filter restarts, the new domain will be blocked. I must remind you that when the LDAP authentication is active, there are usually some restrictions in the use of the HTTPS block, and consequently these restrictions are extended to the use of the social media block. If you want to know about these restrictions, simply click on this icon. Now that the web filter is restarted, we can try to access one of the websites that we have blocked. And we see that the access is blocked. In this case, we can see a certificate error. In other cases, depending on the domain, we may see a web proxy error. In any case, the website is blocked. To help configure the firewall for the first time, a new function has been added to the menu. In the preset configurations page, you can easily choose among a list of predefined settings depending on your network environment and your target configuration and apply that one. Some configurations are marked with a warning icon, which means that if you apply that configuration, the existing one will be overwritten. When a preset configuration is loaded, it must in any case be validated, and afterwards the firewall must be restarted. After loading one of these configurations, it is in any case possible to edit the rules and other configuration settings through the standard Protector's functions. It may happen that the outgoing queue becomes too long due to heavy traffic or slowness of the network or even failure of the remote servers. When the mail queue becomes too long, a warning is issued through the system status, and in this case, it is possible to perform a deeper analysis using this new function. This function is available through the system status page, which opens when we click on this text, or even through the email, queues, Outgoing Q Analysis. The analysis is done on the most common errors that may happen when the Protector connects to the remote relay server to deliver mail. In this example, we have a typical timeout error, and if the Protector is correctly configured, which means that the address and port of the relay server are correct, it is probably a fault or misconfiguration of the network connection or a problem with the hardware of the remote server. If the problem continues, in the explanation and suggestions, we have a description of the error and of the possible causes and some further tests that we can do to go deeper in the analysis of the problem. In any case, these tests require some network skills and should be carried out by skilled technicians. Another improvement is in the configuration of the database update frequency. It is recommended to leave the database update run once a day, typically during the night hours, to take benefit of the updates to virus signatures, spam and phishing sites, and so on. But you may choose to set a different update frequency depending on your needs. You may choose from a frequency of multiple times a day to daily, setting the hour and minute, weekly, choosing one or more days a week and the starting hour, or monthly, choosing one or more month days, or you can even disable the database update. The last improvement I'm going to talk about is in the setup wizard. The setup wizard appears automatically when a unit is installed for the first time or is available through the support menu. We have added two pages, and the first one is a page that describes the two possible configurations for the Protector and describes in which cases one configuration or another one can be used and the benefits of one or another. The second page is a page that we have already seen, which allows to choose one of the available preset configurations for the firewall. For more information about this firmware and for the full list of enhancements, please read the release notes document that you can download from our website. It's all for now. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.